Hello everyone, this soundbar is LG Home Cinema Soundbar US80TR. What I want to do is to show you ways to reset this soundbar. This gear and the TV both are connected via Bluetooth, and if you look on the soundbar, it's showing us BT. Go to your TV settings, scroll down to sound out. The sound out is showing us Bluetooth device. This is the document. This is the audio. We printed out, double-sided. You can see the volume. Now, what I want us to do is for us to reset this gear. There are ways to do this. You can reset it using LG ThinQ app, or go on the top, reset it from the top of the soundbar. You select function button and Bluetooth button, function and Bluetooth button. Will show you wireless audio device has been disconnected, sound out. And if you look on the screen, it's showing us Wi-Fi work. So this is how to reset this soundbar. I want us to reconnect it back to Bluetooth. So it's now in BT. Then go to your TV settings. And it's connecting to your device. So go to the TV setting, then you select OK. So it's connected. Then select photo. This is the audio. Then you select browse. So this and the TV both are now connected. To pictures. Now I want us to take you to the gallery. So select the use the remote to do this. So select picture I want us to print. Then select next. On the remote, select Bluetooth and the function button. Wireless audio device has been disconnected. We have reset this using the remote. So you press the function and Bluetooth button together. It will go back to Wi-Fi network. So this is another way to reset this soundbar, is for you to use A3 paper, LG ThinQ app, select the gear setting. So from the app, you select the gear setting, then scroll all the way. It will show you initial setup. It will show you edit nickname, location, TV remote share, other setting. Then select initial settings. Select initial settings. It will ask you reset all device. Then you select reset. Then select the photo. So to print it will show you reset BT. So these are ways to reset this soundbar. Thank you very much indeed.